Nothing says, "I care," quite like something you've made yourself. From homemade crafts to knitted scarves or even custom artwork, these personalized gifts are wrapped in thoughtfulness. Assemble your own craft kits with materials for fun, simple projects. This not only provides entertainment, but also stokes the flames of creativity. Fill a decorated jar with handwritten notes, cherished memories, or affirmations. It's a heartfelt gift that can be appreciated all year round. A booklet of coupons offering special treats, such as a movie night, extra playtime, or a chore-free day, can be a delight for kids. Whether purchased or created by you, personalized books that cater to your child's interests, or even feature them in the story, can make magical presents. Equip them with a magnifying glass, binoculars, and a notebook for their next nature adventure. Affordable items, cleverly themed, like a movie night basket or an art basket, can bring joy without costing a fortune. Homemade cookies or other treats presented in festive packaging are always a hit. Decorate the letters of their name individually and frame them for a personal touch. Not only do they entertain, but they also contribute to the child's learning. Complete with family-friendly DVDs, popcorn, and cozy blankets, can make for a memorable evening at home. Kids can experience the joy of growing something, learning about nature in the process. Presented in colorful containers, can provide hours of fun. Include cookie cutters or small toys for added entertainment. Decorated by you with fabric markers or paint, can be a unique and cherished gift. Affordable games that provide entertainment for the whole family can create lasting memories. Remember, it's not the cost of the gift that counts, but the thought and effort that goes into it. Focus on the child's interests and creating moments and memories that will be treasured. It's these thoughtful and creative gestures that truly make the holiday season special.